There have been many news stories about John Deere. People are talking about layoffs at the company. Some are worried that John Deere is leaving the United States. These stories can be confusing. It is important to understand the facts. John Deere is a big company that makes farm equipment. It has factories and offices all over the world. In the last year, John Deere has laid off some workers in the United States. This is true. But the situation is complex. We need to look at all the information. The layoffs are happening at a difficult time. The economy is not doing well. Farmers are not buying as much equipment. This is a problem for John Deere. It is important to understand the real reasons behind the layoffs. We need to separate fact from fiction. This essay will explain what is really happening at John Deere. It will also talk about how rumors and misinformation can spread online. John Deere has laid off around 2,600 workers in the U.S. This happened over several months. The layoffs were in different factories. This is a lot of jobs. It is natural to be concerned. But John Deere did not close all its factories in America. It is not moving all its jobs overseas. The main reason for the layoffs is the economy. The farming industry is not doing well. Crop prices are low. This means farmers have less money. They're not buying new tractors and combines. This is a big problem for companies like John Deere. Some factories had to temporarily close. This means they stopped production for a short time. This happened in Ottumwa, Iowa. The factory there makes mowers. Demand for mowers was down, so the factory had to slow down, but it is open again now. John Deere did move some production to Mexico. This is true, but it is not the main reason for the layoffs. The company says it is still committed to manufacturing in the United States. Some people say the layoffs at John Deere are because of President Trump's tariffs. Tariffs are taxes on goods from other countries. President Trump put tariffs on goods from China. He also threatened tariffs on goods from Mexico. It is true that tariffs can hurt businesses. They make goods more expensive. This can lead to lower demand. But there is no clear evidence that Trump's tariffs caused the layoffs at John Deere. The company has not said this is the reason. The tariffs on Chinese goods did not affect John Deere directly. The company does not import many goods from China. And while President Trump threatened tariffs on goods from Mexico, he did not actually put them in place. So, while tariffs are part of the story, they are not the main reason for the John Deere layoffs. The economic downturn in the farming industry is a much bigger factor. It is easy to find information online, but not all information is true. Sometimes rumors and misinformation spread quickly. This can be harmful. It can cause people to worry unnecessarily. There have been many rumors about John Deere online. Some videos and posts claimed that the company was closing all its U.S. factories. They said that thousands of workers were losing their jobs. These claims were false, but they spread quickly on social media. It is important to be careful about what you believe online. Not everything you read is true. Look for information from trusted sources. Check the facts before you share something. The situation at John Deere is a reminder that we need to be critical thinkers. We need to be careful about the information we consume, and we need to be wary of misinformation. This is especially important in today's world, where news and rumors can spread like wildfire online.